Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek and today I'm going to tell you about some really easy and useful tips and tricks for your Mi 10T from Xiaomi. Stay tuned. So let's start from the home screen. There are a couple of settings to customize your home screen your way, and I'm only going to tell you about the important ones. So let's go to the settings, home screen, and on the top is the default launcher selection, and you can select the default launcher for your home screen. After that, there is this home screen type. You can select the one with app drawer and one with the traditional home screen type UI from Xiaomi. Below that is this Google Discover feed. And after that is this icon size setting, where you can customize the size of the icons on the home screen and the app drawer as well. Now let's go into the lock screen settings. On the top is the sleep time to keep your phone awake. After that, there is this raise to wake feature to wake your phone every time you pick it up. Enabling the full screen gestures on a Xiaomi smartphone is a bit tricky because it's not under display or home screen. It's under the additional settings in the settings menu. So once you go to the additional settings, you see this full screen display feature. Here you can select the buttons or full screen gestures, whatever you want. And there are a couple of settings as well for the full screen gesture feature. After that, let's go to the gesture shortcuts. Here you will get a lot of settings, a lot of gestures to customize. Like on the top is the launch Google Assistant gesture using your power button or knuckle gesture. After that, there is this screenshot gesture. You can use the 3-finger slide down or knuckle or volume down plus power. After that, there is this launch camera gesture. You can use the volume button or the power button to launch the camera quickly. After that, there is this clear speaker settings in the additional settings menu. What this setting does is it clears out all the dust and debris from your smartphone's loudspeaker. If you enable this feature, it will play a really high-pitched sound from your phone to clear out all the dust and debris from your smartphone's loudspeaker. Now I'm going to tell you about the floating window feature of MIUI 12. So if you open any app, bring down the control center and tap on floating window feature. It will turn that app into a small pop-up window. You can use the app. You can move the window around on the home screen. You can also resize that window pretty easily from the corner. And you can slide that into a corner if you want to use the phone or use any other app. And to bring that window back into the focus, just tap on that and it will pop up back. And to close the app, you just have to swipe from the bottom of the app and the app will be closed. Now I'm going to tell you about some display settings to customize your display on your smartphone. So on the top is this reading mode, which enables a yellow tint on the screen to help your eyes. After that, there is this color scheme. You can customize the display color scheme. As you can see, there are a couple of settings with some custom settings as well. If you go into the advanced settings, you can customize a lot of things about your smartphone's display. After that, there is this refresh rate setting where you can set the different level of refresh rate on your smartphone. After that, there is this dark mode, which is a self-explanatory feature. It enables a dark mode on your smartphone, and there is also a schedule. You can also enable or disable the forced dark mode on some third-party applications. After that, there is this system font where you can change the font of your smartphone. I cannot show you because it needs smartphone to be restarted, and I cannot do that while I'm recording. After that, there is this hide notch feature where you can enable or disable that notch. After that, there is this use new control center toggle, which enables the new MIUI 12 style control center and notification shade. If you want to go back, you can go back to the normal notification shade. Just disable this feature. Now to customize the sound effects on your smartphone, go to settings, sound and vibration, and at the very bottom you will see this sound effect feature where you can select presets. These presets are for loudspeaker and your earphones as well. After that, there is this visual effects, which basically is a visualizer for your smartphone. So there are 4 themes for the visualizer. When the music will be playing on your smartphone, this visualizer will be available on the lock screen. You also get a built-in screen recorder on MIUI 12. Here is the screen recorder app. This is the gallery to show all the screen recordings. You can go to settings to customize the settings of your screen recorder. You can select resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, and a couple of more settings. I cannot change it right now because I'm currently recording. You also get a built-in QR code scanner. Just pull down the control center and select QR code scanner, and you will also be able to scan documents using this tool. So these were the easy and useful tips and tricks for your Mi 10T from Xiaomi. And that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.